welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. My name's Amber, and this here is the fourth quick, short, and sweet video review of a wig from the Little Wig Museum. This one right here is called Milano 24-inch. Another long one. I love these long, beautiful mermaid Rapunzel wigs from the Little Wig Museum. Who doesn't want a beautiful fashion wig that makes you feel like a princess? Like, I do. I want one. I mean, if I'm going to wear hair, if I'm going to wear the alternative hair, give me a princess wig, please. I love these wigs for that purpose. They are so beautiful. And they have these on-trend colors. They're synthetic. You can switch it up easily. And the nice part is she does have these lace fronts, these middle parts, the hand-tied areas that help create a more realistic parting, a more realistic front hairline, and there's a variety of options and prices on her website. So I'll have all those links down below. Okay, so let's talk about this beautiful Milano 24-inch. Like I mentioned, this is 24 inches. It's long as well. As you can see, I have to pull way on back so you guys can see the length of this beautiful curly style. You have the smoothness up top that, kind of blends into these gorgeous curls at the bottom. Let's do a turnaround so you can see these beautiful curls from all angles. So pretty. Now the thing with this Milano is you have like almost a gray look to it. It's a very ashy blonde. That's what you have going on here. Gorgeous colors, gorgeous strands that make up this beautiful color. It's the same color all throughout. You do have some lighter ends though, as you can see. Beautiful lighter tips. But ooh, this ashy, very ashy blonde is divine. Now let's take off this style so you guys can see it from the underside. You have that ear tab, two ear tab lace front. So as you can see, all around the ear tab, you have some hand-tied lace that I did trim. It comes not trimmed. So when you receive this, you will trim the lace yourself. And then you have a middle part. So you have that T-part wig going on here. Then you have closed wefting up top and throughout the rest of this cap construction. You have 3 combs and you have your adjusters at the nape, so you can loosen and tighten this wig and make it fit more snug and secure. Look at that color up close. It is so pretty. You have some blondes in there, and then you have like this grayish platinum color, creating just the most beautiful ashy blonde color with these very light tips. The curls are so beautiful. I would say these are curls, not waves, but it's just on the lower part of this style, and then up top it's nice and smooth. This is synthetic fiber. The lace front looks great. Anything that's lighter at the root just tends to look more realistic because it's not as knotty. Okay, let's put this baby back on. Now, one thing I've noticed about these Little Wig Museum wigs is the fibers look really good. They don't look like shiny, fake fashion wig fibers. They have a very realistic, beautiful appearance straight out of the box. As you can see, the fibers look really good. I love this style. I love how it's nice and smooth and sleek up top, and then you have these beautiful cascading layered curls down below, as you can see. So pretty. The density is gorgeous as well because you do have some density, you do have some thickness, but it's not overpowering. I think the layering also helps, tone down the thickness and bulk because it gets thinner as it gets longer, as you can see. But yeah, if you are into that very ashy look, this might be a color, a style that is perfect for you. Okay, you guys, let me know what you thought about these short and quick and sweet video reviews of these Little Wig Museum wigs. You'll have to check out the wigs. I will have the links down below to these styles. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach out to Little Wig Museum with any concerns or questions. And you guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm there often. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.